Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ladies and gentlemen, an argument was going on between Mr. ABC and Mr. XYZ. Both of them were trying to persuade each other by giving their own arguments. Gradually, the discussion became heated and people around also became interested. Since Mr. ABC and Mr. XYZ had known each other for a long time, they were also using personal references. The people listening to them were curious that let's see what happens in this verbal battle. Mr. ABC was outraged and decided to embarrass Mr. XYZ in public at all costs. Mr. ABC told Mr. XYZ that today you are talking very tall, but do you remember that time when you people used to bring eatables from my aunt's house and then you were able to cook your food for home? Ladies and gentlemen, it was a wail of self-respect that Mr. ABC's aunt has put on and which was torn apart by Mr. ABC's rage today. Mr. XYZ's self-esteem was in state of disarray and he could not face himself in front of everyone. Friends, the righteous servants of God, Allah, say that when the time comes that your argument or trick may injure someone's self-esteem, behold your argument and save the person, because it may be a small thing for you, but for someone it may become a matter of life and death, and it may also become a matter of lifelong regret and shame for that person. Relationships get broken, homes are broken, friends are broken by this attitude. If someone make us feel bad for some reason, say a shopkeeper weighs less, someone tells a lie, etc., and there really is such an evil in them, as we all have a lot of flaws in us as well, we would indefinitely mention it to those who we meet, and there is such and such flaw or bad habit in that person living nearby, or there is a bad habit in our friend. We talk like this. Remember, there is a great admonition in it for the righteous servants of Allah, that we discuss the shortcomings of one of our brothers or sisters, but it would be better if you perform 2 rakat of nafal, take some time for special prayer and pray to God, Allah, and say, may God, Allah, thy grace upon my brother or sister who is indulged in this bad habit and correct their habit and bestow thy blessing upon them. What a lovely thing is this for you to do. I was thinking about these things so that this thought came to me and I wanted to share this with you friends, and I also request you that if such an opportunity arises in your life, then one should stop his or her argument and behold that knife of that argument which we are going to run and save the self-esteem of some human fellow. I can make request to you to practice this, and you can further make request to your friends, and I pray to God, Allah, to give us such a courage. Ameen. Thank you very much for your precious time.